Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, once again, click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification to get an instant update, and you would not miss out on any updates. Now, let's see what we will be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. We will start from the higher time frame down to our forward time frame to understand what market is doing, so we will fully understand it. Now, take a look at this trend. Before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend of that trade. We also have it in mind that we have the main trend, which is the full trend, which is the overall trend, bigger picture, the full bigger picture. That is the trend. And if you take a look at the current trend, which is what market is currently doing, what is the current movement of what market is doing? Now take a look at it here. From here you can see that the full bigger picture on GU, which is GBP USD, is an uptrend move. Market has been giving us what series of higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So the bullish on momentum on GU is literally a very strong one. It has been giving us a very strong bullish move, by the way. So now take a look at it here. After we've gotten that full big picture, now let's take a look at zoom it in and see what market is currently doing, which is our current trend. What is the current trend? And you can clearly see it, downtrend move. Good trend, uptrend. This is it here. Series of higher high and higher low. Current trend, a lower, a downtrend move. Now this is it here. This is a series of low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we will be expecting a new lower low on GU. So GU should be dropping till it eventually form a new lower low. So that is the reason why this week we will be bearish on GU. This is an indication that this week will be bearish on GU. Now for position traders, this is the best time and best opportunity for you to still hop in on the sale. If you are not on the sale yet, you still have the time to hop in. Likewise, swing traders, you still have the buy and the time, the opportunity to actually still hop in for the sale. And the traders, you would want to see your setup payouts and your confirmation before you actually go ahead and take any sale. Weekly time frame says we are bearish and we will be expecting a bearish move. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. Now this is it on the daily time frame here. Current trend bearish. You can see it is the current full bigger picture bullish. For this current trend here, this is our low. This is the lower high. This is the lower low. This is the lower high. This is our lower low. This is the lower high. Market dropped from a lower low, lower high, lower low here, equal lower high here. You can see that these are the equal lower high, which eventually serve as a resistance level because there are multiple touch. First rejection here, second rejection here, then third rejection here before market drop. So if in case market pulls back to retap it or retest it, it will most likely drop again. Have that in mind. So if in case markets probably push up, if it will, which I don't think it would, but if it would come to the tap this resistance, it will 100% most likely drop again. It will 100% most likely drop again. And if it does not push up to tap this resistance, we are likely to see the sell from this our current level. The sell would most likely play out from this our current market level. That is what you should be expecting. Now, let's see on our 4-hour time frame. We've seen a low, we've seen the lower high, we've seen the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now with this lower high, multiple rejection here, we should be expecting another low. So this is for day traders right here. You should be expecting a new sell, which is a new lower low on for the week. So you should be expecting a sell major here. But if market breaks out, if in case market breaks out, because market is likely to do that, remember, keep your buyers very flexible. If markets will break out, it will tap here and it will most likely going to drop again. So these are the two major levels. These are the two key levels where GBPUSD will sell massively. We either start having the sell from this our current level where we are currently, or market is likely to break out, take out, traders sell. See it tap this level before we now start getting that sell. So whatever the market does, look for your sell setup, look for your good opportunity sell opportunity for you to go ahead take the sell. Now let's see this way. Here, market dropped. We had this rejection here. Market pushed up again. Market ejected from here and it sold. We had this sell. Market pushed up again and we are having an injection from here. You will be expecting a reaction or market eventually what sell again. So we are expecting one more sell. That sell should give us more than about 70 pips or more. Like I said before, if in case market breaks out and push up, expect that sell, which I do not think it will break out and push up. I believe the sell should start playing out from this current level. So guys, if there will be any changes to this, I will make sure I let you guys know. So just subscribe, click on that subscribe button